If I told you that one single ETF could own almost the entire world and still not be the best choice for everyone, would you believe me? Today we're breaking down one of the most common questions patient investors ask. Is VT enough, or is a multi-ETF portfolio actually better? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits you. Most people want investing to be simple, and honestly, that's a good instinct. Complexity doesn't equal intelligence, and more funds don't automatically mean better results. But simplicity only works when you understand what you're simplifying. That's why today we're comparing VT, Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, against a multi-ETF portfolio. And we're doing it from the perspective of a patient, long-term investor. No hype, no predictions, just principles that hold up over time. What VT actually is. Let's start with VT. VT is a single ETF that owns thousands of companies across the entire world. US stocks, international stocks, developed markets, emerging markets, all wrapped into one fund. When you buy VT, you're essentially saying, I don't want to guess which country wins. I want to own them all. That's powerful. It's diversified, low cost, automatically rebalanced, and incredibly simple. You buy it, you hold it. You let time do the heavy lifting. For many people, VT is more than enough. But here's the part most investors don't think about: the hidden trade-off of simplicity. Simplicity always comes with a trade-off. With VT, you give up control in exchange for convenience. You don't choose your US versus international allocation. You don't decide how much risk you want to dial up or down over time. You don't adjust based on your life stage. VT decides that for you. Now, for some investors, that's exactly what they want. For others, that's where a multi-ETF approach starts to make sense. What a multi-ETF portfolio really does. A multi-ETF portfolio typically breaks things into building blocks. For example, a US stock ETF, an international stock ETF, possibly a bond ETF, maybe real estate or another diversifier. Instead of one fund doing everything, you control the structure. This gives you flexibility. You can adjust risk as you age, increase bonds for stability, tilt toward US or international markets, rebalance intentionally. It's not about being smarter than the market. It's about aligning your portfolio with your life. The psychological difference that matters more than returns. Here's something most investing videos won't tell you. The best portfolio is not the one with the highest theoretical return. It's the one you can stick with during bad markets. Some people panic when they see multiple funds. Others panic when they don't understand what's inside a single fund. If VT helps you stay invested through downturns, that's a win. If a multi-ETF portfolio helps you feel more in control and confident, that's also a win. Behavior beats optimization every time. Common mistake investors make. Here's the mistake I see over and over. People chase complexity because they think it means sophistication, or they chase simplicity because they're afraid to learn. Both miss the point. Patient investing isn't about doing more. It's about doing what's appropriate consistently for decades. So which one is better? Here's the honest answer. VT is excellent for investors who want maximum simplicity, global diversification, minimal maintenance, a true buy and hold mindset. A multi-ETF portfolio is better for investors who want more control, risk adjustment over time, intentional rebalancing, a portfolio that evolves with life stages. Neither is wrong. The real question is not VT versus multiple ETFs. The real question is whether your portfolio matches your behavior. The patient investor mindset. Patient investors don't chase returns. They build systems. They don't panic in volatility. They plan for it. They understand that wealth is built quietly, slowly, and intentionally. Whether that's with one ETF or several, doesn't matter nearly as much as staying disciplined. If you've made it this far, you're already thinking differently than most investors. And that's exactly what this channel is about.